I love me some Hazel. I love me some Hazel.
This morning we're on our way up to the town of Braemar and Braemar Castle up near Balmoral. I just stopped on the side of the road to show you the beautiful hills with the trees and the green and the beautiful big house over there. Look at it, how spectacular. You can hear cows and sheep in the background. Beautiful place. So we've stopped at this spot here for a couple of reasons. One, look, there's a couple of locals, a little black sheep and the grey mum just there. Ah, oh, thank you. But the spot we're at here is the highest spot on the roads in the United Kingdom. So I think it's called Culper Pass. And yeah, this is the highest spot on a public road here in the whole of the UK. Up in the mountains, just around this side here, you might be able to see there's a little town, and over there on the hills, I'll zoom in for you, some ski lifts. So here in winter, this is the one of the ski resorts that they have here. And, yeah, right up on the top of that hill up over there, you can see the chairlifts going up. Very cool. So we've just stopped here in the little town of Braemar. We'll probably get ourselves a coffee or something to eat somewhere near here. Parked just behind the butchers. There's free parking and toilets, free public toilets there as well. But anyway, we're going to just wander on up and show you what we find. River running through the middle of the town here. How pretty. We've left Braemar and we're heading up along the River Dee. This is the River Dee down here. Up in the hills there you can see snow on the mountains. Yes, that is snow. There ain't much of it left, but there is a little. And we're heading up towards a place called the River Dee, which is upriver up here somewhere. Up over there. Righto, so we've come just up the road a bit further from the River Dee to the River Dee. It's a little bit of a hike. We just parked our car, paid the parking, and now we follow the road around here, over a little bridge, and then up the river a little bit. Not a difficult one, and not particularly very far, but we thought we'll come out here, stretch our legs a bit. We haven't done a whole lot of exercise in the last few days. So we'll go and check it on out and see what it's like. Just making our way along the trail, heading up to where we think is the right place. Well, we know it's on the river and the river's over to our left. We can hear it. Now the story goes that this area here was one of Queen Victoria's favourite places to visit. And she built a cabin. Well, I'm not sure if she actually built it, but she had it built. A cabin just here. And yeah, just here near one of her favourite places. The River Dee, over here on the river. Bridge heading across. We actually don't want to go across the bridge, we want to go down here, down the side, get some photos of the water cascading. So this spot here is called the Punchbowl. When the water is high enough, it runs over the top of that rock and down into it. Such a beautiful spot here on the river. The water is so clear. I'd really like to have a mouthful of it or jump on in and have a swim, but I don't know if that's the safest thing to do. There's the bridge down there, and there's a waterfall just under the bridge, which is very cool too. Look at the river flowing down here. Isn't it just lovely? Coming down the waterfall just here. I think that's great. Righto, so we are now making our way back. We've left the Punchbowl up there and making our way back along the path, heading back towards the car and a drink of water. We're all a bit thirsty. And whilst there was plenty of water there, we just weren't sure if it was going to be safe to drink or not. The last thing we need is to get some sort of upset stomach and be shooting out both ends. That'd be fun, wouldn't it?
Yeah, done that.
Anyway, we're heading back to the car and I don't know where we're going next. We'll see what the time is and what I reckon we can do.
I love me some Hazel. I love me some Hazel.